Did you know that a single click on gene ontology can turn 20,000 chaotic genes into a crystal clear story that reveals why cancer spreads or how a plant survives drought, all in under 30 seconds? Welcome to the most underrated adventure in modern science, biological process enrichment. Imagine stepping into a gigantic living library where every book is a gene, and the shelves stretch across 3 kingdoms of life: humans, mice, yeast, even Arabidopsis. That library is the GENE Ontology, a global map launched in 1998 by a handful of visionary biologists who decided chaos was no longer acceptable. Today it contains over 45,000 precisely defined terms, updated daily by scientists worldwide, and it's completely free. Most people think enrichment analysis is just a boring statistics step you click before publishing a paper. Wrong. It's the moment raw data transforms into a detective story. You start with a messy list of upregulated genes and suddenly the software lights up pathways like apoptotic signaling, immune response, or WNT signaling. Suddenly you're not looking at numbers, you're watching the hidden machinery of life reveal its secrets. Let's explore how it actually works. You feed your gene list into tools like David, G Profiler, or Enricher. Behind the scenes, hypergeometric tests compare your genes against thousands of annotated processes. A tiny p-value flashes red. Boom, your cancer cells are obsessed with cell cycle checkpoint and DNA damage response. Another dataset from Alzheimer's brain screams microglial activation and amyloid beta clearance. The ontology isn't guessing, it's translating biology's universal language so humans can finally understand the conversation happening inside every cell. The golden moment came in 2020 when a small lab in Singapore ran enrichment on COVID-infected lung cells. Within hours the top hit was type I interferon signaling suppressed. That single enriched term, buried among 12,000 genes, became the spark that launched dozens of clinical trials for interferon therapies and changed treatment protocols worldwide. One click, one enriched process, thousands of lives touched. Diving into gene ontology doesn't just organize data, it hands you the decoder ring to life itself. It turns every researcher, student, and curious mind into an explorer who can navigate the most complex jungle on Earth, the living cell. You stop seeing genes as abstract IDs and start seeing stories, battles, and breakthroughs. So tell me, what biological process are you dying to enrich first? Cancer metabolism, neural development, or maybe plant stress response? Drop your dream dataset in the comments and let's keep exploring the map together.